So oh wow, you can start. I have the other. Come here, hand. He can't even.
Guys, so I gave my brother this Christmas present, so you can see over here.
It's a Captain America toy.
So these are his glasses over here, and this is the jetpack, and there is his shooting blade, shield. So you wanna go?
Can you go get me some scissors or something?
Okay, I'm gonna get the scissors. Out of here, Ravi. So let's open it.
First, let's open from this side here. Okay, like this. And then for the other side. First. That was a door sound.
Guys, so let me help you open it, okay? What happened? It's fine, it's fine. Strong boy, huh?
Actually, Naveen hit my finger.
Oh, okay. Oh, you opened this already, so then open this one also. Okay, so here.
Let me go open this here.
Did you open it? Okay, fine. Open the other side also. The other side. I'll help you.
No, I'm here.
Okay. Are you excited? Wait, are you excited? Rohit, are you excited?
Yes.
I'll help you. Come. Here. Let me just. And then this is also done. The legs.
Let me do it. Let me do the ears. Then that this one here. Yeah.
You're doing it wrong. Let's cut this one.
When you're not, your face is not joking.
It's fine. Wait.
Your face is not seen.
I'm just opening this and on the other side also. So after we cut this, we are gonna take out Captain America, guys. So this is gonna be very cool. Fire, okay, done. Oops, the last string. The last one, yeah. We got Captain America, guys. So you can see this is Captain America.
Mom, you forgot the goggles.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the cover of that also.
I'm going to.
You take this. Hold it. Are you happy?
Wait, Yoga. We got one.
I really know what it's gonna bring.
Guys, we got Batman and Captain America.
That's not Batman.
I mean, that's Captain America and Black Panther.
Guys, so that was so cool.
The balloon is for America next month.
Yep, so you got the glasses. Let's put the glasses on.
I'm going to open Captain America sheet.
Yeah, this looks real. Wait. Look at that. He looks evil now. Evil America.
I'm going to open the sheet.
Captain
I like
America.
the sheet. I like opening. When you open the sheet,
This is supposed to be over here.
when you open the sheet,
Yeah. Wait, look at this. This first jetpack for fun. Phew.
good. Now how about this?
Put this up like that.
I want to the
Wait. Oh, okay. Wow, this is nice, you guys. This is all amazing.
I like the sheet the most.
Me.
Oh, bell. How can you give it to me?
Oh, like that, just like that. And put it over here. And yep, done. You can shoot it. Look.
I can get me to it. Ding 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 ding. Yes, that song is from like I don't know the song, but the other song is like ding 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 ding. That's a Captain America song. Oh, this is Captain America sheet and TLC bag, the shooting thing. Then his goggles bag. Yes. And then we got even one more. This Black Panther. Shing. You know that and yours all the people they absolutely found life. So well look the Black Panther is gonna sit here. But he's gonna look at these goggles if anything is there. See Black Panther. He's gonna use his sheet to hit it. Like this. Okay. Then we've got a Captain America. So you know that I'm excited. So I'm going to open this with this. It also comes with action figures, character man. You know, every time people like they buy this toy and then get the same toy as me. So that's all my brother. So it does not got anything. Just you got a car with collections. Got 4 cars, guys. I mean, you got 3 cars. I don't know, but we have a collection. So I'm gonna see you in my next giant. Bye bye. I mean, next channel. Bye bye. Remember to hit the bell button up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.